BassResinator here. I have a new container mold, and I've already done the decorating. I didn't think you needed to see me doing all of that, but this is a Bee Hive container. And so what I did was I turned this inside out and I decorated the bees already, black and gold, and then Aurora powder for the wings. Now I'll turn this back the correct way after I clean off that little bit where some of that powder jumped. You can't see what I'm doing, but I am let me do it this way then. Turning it back the way it's supposed to go. But now I'm going to have to go around the inside with my big wipe to remove any fingerprints. Just wiping around. Wiping around. And those bees show up really nicely through there. What I use to color this, a little bit of that powder came out, used to color that. And there's also one in the lid. Well, look at that. Got some mic on the outside. But I did the same thing. I got Aurora in the wings and the body. And this is a Let's Resin mold. And it tells me right here 7.1 or 7 fluid ounces for that. And this is 1.7 for this. Oh, I gotta show you. This one has big bug eyes. And so what I did was I put some black UV resin in there. You can see where I put them in for the eyes. And cured those in place. And then put the powder in. Now this mold arrived warped, and I'm hoping it does not cause problems. I contacted Let's Resin and they're going to replace this, but if you would have seen the box, I ordered it from Amazon and it looked like somebody stomped on it. And even this part right here is what I would call schweckel. It's not like it's supposed to be. Anyway, contacted Let's Resin. Their service department is really good, so for coloring, what I used for the black was this color creator. This is a. Well, let me show you the kit that it came out of, and I'll put links to all of this in the description. But it's the Greenland Gift Pack Color Creator, and it comes with glitter and different colors, and there's 12 different, well, let me just show you here, 5 alcohol inks, 2 mica powders, and 2 fine glitters. So I'm going to use, I already used the black and the gold powder, so those are done. This, I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. But I am going to use a different colorant for the color of the Bee Hive itself. Oh, Bee Hive. Oh, yes. Too much Austin Powers there. Okay. So, I will show you the color I'm going to use in just a little bit. But first, what I'm going to use is the 1 hour epoxy. And I'm thinking, since this is supposed to be 1.7 ounces, I'm thinking that 0.7 ounce is going to be that bee. So I am going to mix up less than an ounce and start filling that in. And then let that sit for about a half an hour. And then I'm going to come back with the gold in the lid. But I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to use for the hive itself yet. Okay, just a second. Okay, I have mixed up 0.8 ounces. And I'm going to pour some of this in, try and get it into the wings. Wipe that off. Now, come over here and squeeze on said wing. There came a bubble. There's another bubble. Another bubble. Come on out, bubble, bubble. Toil and trouble. Well, you know, that's just going awry. Going awry? Or going an oat? Because it keeps sucking air back in, so I didn't have it full enough. So hopefully that will have gotten all the air bubbles out. I think I see something. That can take, you know, I think I mixed up. I think my scale is off. Supposedly I mixed up 0.8 ounces. That's not quite right. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit. I'm gonna mix in some of this gold glitter into this, and I'm gonna put it into the main cavity so that it will have a gold glittery rim to match the gold lid when I get it all done. I don't want to put this glitter in the lid area now. Because it'll go down into the wings and stuff, and I don't want that. Not yet. Not yet. Okay. This is some type of holographic gold glitter here. Try not to stir too hard or too quickly and introduce bubblies. And that's not what we want. Well, you know, that didn't mix at all. There's a big clear area down in the middle of it. If you haven't had a chance to use this 1 hour curing epoxy from Promise, it sets up in a hurry now. Okay, put this guy over there. so I don't have time to sit here and play games. Squeeze, and if that glitter sinks down to the lid or to the tip, that's fine. Just taking this around and squeezing down on the bottom, releasing any possible air bubbles down yonder. And I still have a bunch more, but I don't think I better put any more down there, else it's going to overheat. Okay, find something quick, Mr. T, Mr. T, Mr. T, Mr. T. I have a duck mold, a little rubber ducky. Gonna start him off with a gold rubber ducky. And I will squeeze to get any air bubbles out of his bill. Do not want to have a holy lip. You can't see what I'm doing, but I'm over here squeezing. Okay, squeezed, I think, about as much as I can squeeze there. And that's not going to fill that guy up, but you know, that's okay. I'm going to be mixing up some more later. I'll be able to take care of him then. So, I'll come back after a little while. Okay, waited a while. Mixed up the resin for this, and look at this color. That supposedly, in my mind, is the color of a honeycomb. And I used royal gold from Let's Resin and white. Royal gold, I don't know if you know this or not, but the queen bee is given royal jelly from the bees in the hive to keep her fattened up so she can continuously lay eggs. So that's her special treat. So I thought, well, you know, the hive needs to be this royal color, but I wanted it somewhat a little bit of the color of the wax that they make as well, and so that's why I added that white. Okay, so let me put the lid. And that doesn't have enough. You know what I can do? I can add a little bit of that royal honey into that. But there's a bubble right here. Got him. I could see him. There's one right here. Got him. But you see, this still is a wobbly from that packing. I wonder if I can lean him against something to straighten him out. Well, let me pour in this royal jelly into the... Oh man, that is a pretty color. It's blonde. Now, a little bit of this in here. I got to figure out some way to hold that open. Well, put those things right there. Well, you know, if I push that up here, no. I have a couple molds. It's going to end up getting out of your picture because I have a thick mold right here, and I've got another one right here that I have made. And hopefully that holds it in place. Okay, now we just sit and wait. And I didn't have any left over to put in there. Well, that's okay. I can always put some in there later. Boy, that is a pretty color. It's not showing up as well as I would like it. Wait till I unmold in the morning, and then you'll get to see it then. Okay. Oh, Bee Hive. Okay, I'll see you in the morning. These are all cured up. Let me scrunch this in a bit. You can see more of it. It looks really kind of cool in there. I did go around and loosen the edges. I had this propped, hopefully, between two pieces. Hopefully that gave that a round so that it'll fit on this thing. But you see that gold and that gold. Well, maybe you can't see this gold in here very well, but hopefully they'll match. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's go with the lid first, because I don't know how that bee is going to be. Oh. There used to be a TV show called ALF, Alien Life Form. And he had witty sayings, and one of them was, kill me. Because he's laughing at his own jokes. I do that all the time. Oh, this bee. I can see a little bit of him. The wings, though, are presenting a problem. Come on now. Got this. See, it looks good that side. But I don't want to tear something. Good thing is there's no bubbles around the edges, so I'm not cutting myself that way. There's his little face. Okay, get in here with both hands, maybe that'll help. Now, I did not have enough resin to finish that ducky, so when I mix up some more, I will take care of him, but he was just a little oh, there's one wing. And there's the other. Wow. And you can see some of the royal jelly coming through. Because that queen bee right here, these are smaller, so these are the workers. That queen bee needs her energy, so gotta lay eggs for the rest of her life. Can you imagine an existence like that? Okay. Now, to unmold the pot. Oh, I love this color. Do a little twist, and now it comes. And I'll show you the rest of that shortly. I'm just putting the mold back the way it needs to be. The way it needs to be. To be or not to be. Yeah, okay. That's getting bad, Mr. Watkins. Look at this. Wow. I love this color. And it works. It works. It works. It works. And look at the eyes. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, I'll take some pictures of this, get some close-ups, and yeah, when I saw this mold, I was like, oh, I really like it. Now the wings are subdued, but they are visible. Instead of painting them a white or anything. Yeah, I'm liking this. That's Resin did a really good job with this design. Okay. Subscribers, thank you so much. We're getting really close to 1,500. Like 50 away. And when you get there, you're going to have to do something special. I'm not sure exactly what. I'll have to start thinking. You know, here's a deal. Help me think of something. Come up with something that I should do for the 1,500 subscriber, getting that to that. Let me know what you think I should do and see if I can possibly fit it in. I am really liking this. I don't know about you, but okay. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.